Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. There was a holy man, a saint, who used to live in Himalayas. He decided to come to the villagers so that he can share his knowledge with the villagers. And his specialty was that he used to know that what is in your pocket and what is in your mind. This news is spread in the village, and some boys, some naughty or evil boys, they decided to prove him wrong. So they brought a bird in their hands and asked the wise old man, "What is in our hand?" The old man said, "It's bird." Then the boys asked whether it is dead or alive. The old man understood the ill intention of the boys. And the old man said that it's all in your hand. The destiny of bird is in your hand. Because the boy's intention was that if he says it's dead, then they will free the bird and bird will fly. And then they can say that, see, it's alive. And if the wise old man says that it is alive, they'll crush the bird in their hand and then they'll show that, see, it's dead. Wise old man understood the intention of the boys and he said that it's all in your hand. The destiny of the bird is in your hand. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr. Haleema Sadia, and today we are here to know about the self-driven leadership. Whatever experience I have during last 30 years of my experience and having mentored 35,000 individuals, I have acquired little knowledge and experience about the self-driven leadership or taking the initiatives in life. Believe me, it all depends on us. It's in our hands. It starts with us. What exactly is self-driven leadership? Before that, just let us understand. The people say that self-driven leaders are born, not made. Do you all agree with this? No, it's a myth. Because if you want to develop your leadership, we can very easily develop our leadership. We can enhance the skills, we can enhance our understanding of leadership, and we can always enhance our capabilities, potentials, and we can be the self-driven leader. So this is just a myth. Each and every human being has the capacity or potential to develop the leadership skills. That's what I firmly believe in this. So with this belief that the self-driven leadership can be enhanced, the leaders can be made. Let us look at the example of a lady who is born in India, Bangalore. And today, she is a billionaire. She has founded the company in the biotechnology. She is the chairperson. She was the chairperson of IIT Bangalore. And then she has started her entrepreneurship journey with a very humble beginning, just with 10,000 Indian rupees. And she has started from her garage. And today, she is the executive chairperson and founder of Biocon Limited, Biocon Biologics. And she is based in Bangalore, and she is the billionaire of Indian billionaire. So how it happened? Naturally, she has not done any magic in this. It was just her own initiative, her own self-driven leadership that she thought of starting a company in biotechnology. And we all agree that when we take any initiative and start any projects, there are lots of challenges, lots of hurdles, there are lots of issues, problems. But if you are determined, if you are focused, then you will never focus on those obstacles. Instead, you will always look at the solutions and take those obstacles as opportunity to learn more and to move ahead. The same happened with Kiran Majumdar Shaw. She also took those challenges as the opportunities to learn and to move ahead. And she has never looked back after starting her company. One more thing was there, that being the woman, being the female sex, she has even faced more problems and more issues than anyone else. And that's the reason why she has started advocating about the women's right, about the equality, about how we can empower the women. And she is taking lots of initiative in this. And she serves as inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs globally. She demonstrates the transformative power of self-driven leadership. So today, by narrating her example in front of all of you, I take pride in this, that Kiran Majumdar Shah is a living example of the self-driven leadership. Now you all must be thinking that how we can unpack self-driven leadership. So basically, there are two things that we have to keep in mind. Number one, we have to explore intrinsic motivation. We should not depend on the external factors, external motivation, external awards, prizes, appreciation, but from within, we feel happiness and joy and satisfaction and fulfillment when we do anything worthy, when we move towards our goal, when we take even a small step towards our goal. That gives us the fulfillment and satisfaction, that is intrinsic motivation. And then secondly, we have to cultivate the growth mindset. With closed mindset, nothing can be achieved. Growth mindset accepts the change. Growth mindset believes that every day is a learning experience. Every day we are going to face the new challenges. And those challenges are not obstacles. Those challenges are opportunities for us. So we have to develop a growth mindset. So intrinsic motivation and growth mindset. When we combine these two, we are going to unpack our self-driven leadership. Now, how to cultivate self-driven leadership? So first and foremost, set a goal. A goal towards that we are directing our actions. That is going to be a driving force for our mission. That goal is important, purpose is important. The people, they start doing the work, they start taking the initiatives, they start their projects without having any purpose or any goal in mind. And for God's sake, don't think that your purpose is to earn money. Earning money is the byproduct. What is the purpose? What is the real purpose that's going to give you happiness, fulfillment, satisfaction in life? By the end of the day, you realize that, yes, my life is worthy. My mission is worthy. At least I have done something to for the betterment of this world. I have done something to make the life of the people easy. That is our goal and purpose. That has to be very, very clear. And then embracing the challenge and challenges and obstacle, whatever comes. Communication plays very important role, and even in the self-driven leadership, it is more important because we not only have to talk or communicate with the people, but we have to communicate with ourselves. Our self-affirmations play important role in this. We have to communicate with ourselves. Yes, I can do it. It's possible. I have the power to do. I have the capability to do. I have the drive to do. And I know that I can do it. So communication improvement, communication development, communication, focus on the communication, and the lastly, the time management, because we all are given 24 hours. Within this 24 hours, it depends on us whether we are going to make it or whether we are going to lose it. Within this 24 hours, the people have done tremendous achievements in life, and while the others have just wasted and gone from this world. It all depends on us that how we use this, how we utilize the time management wisely and do the things. So a self-driven leadership has its own challenges, and we have to develop its own strategies how to overcome those challenges. We have to keep in mind that self-driven leadership is full of challenges, will be full of challenges. At times we will feel low, at times we will feel sad, at times when the things are not working as per our expectations, we feel like giving up. It has happened many a times with me. I remember that when I was struggling to enhance my qualification and to get a degree in education, 3 times I failed in the entrance examination. And then fourth time I thought that, okay, now let me give up. But then I realized that what I was doing, I was just depending on one university, that was the Open University, that was giving me the freedom, like I can work and I can study also. I was going for that option because I was already working. And so what happened that because of this intention, there was lots of rush in that university, and they have limited seats. So I was not able to qualify. But when I changed my mind and when I changed my strategy, I thought that why not to go to the regular university? Why not to take the study leave for a year? And why not to go and enhance my qualification? That is important and that is essential for my profession. So then I applied for 1 year leave, and then I appeared in 3 universities entrance examination, and I qualified in 2 universities, although prestigious universities, and I did my degree from Delhi University. So that's what I'm saying, that obstacles will be there, challenges will be there. We have to change our strategies. We have to change as per our circumstances, as per our the requirements, and as per the availability of the opportunities. We have to change our opportunities. See, my dear friends, the world is changing. World is changing with a rapid pace, and change is happening exponentially. Will you all agree with me? Yes, I think the 100% you will agree that change is happening exponentially. While what we people are thinking, our thinking is linear. If it is not matching, we will always face issues and problems and challenges. We have to move towards the direction where the world is moving. If the world is changing, we have to change ourselves, our mindset, our thoughts, our belief, our with the change of the world, with the pace of the change of the world, and that's going to guarantee us the success. Now, if we are going to follow like these four principles, then our road towards the self-driven leadership is very clear. So first thing is that we have to develop the supportive environment. Alone, we can do very little, but together we can do more. Together we can win the championship. Alone, we can only win the game. So if you really want to win the championship, let's build an environment, supportive environment. In that environment, everybody is responsible. At the same time, everybody is empowering other team member to be responsible and create opportunities for others as well. And in this way, if we continue learning, continuous learning is important for the leaders. If we continue learning, we develop our skills, and then we inspire others also to unlock their potential. So in the conducive environment, each and everybody is a gainer. It is said that givers gain. So if we are providing that environment for everyone, we are giving them the environment that is supportive, conducive for their self-driven leadership, then finally we are also going to gain from that. And then finally, avoid 5 things. These 5 things are killers of our self-driven leadership. LPSFR. So first is lack of clarity. Be very, very clear and specific. What exactly you want in life? What exactly is your goal, purpose, and your mission and vision of life? This clarity is important. If there is lack of clarity, then nothing is going to work for you. P is procrastination. Procrastination is the killer of success. Avoid procrastination. If you have to do something, do it now. Let's do it right now here. Let's start, because tomorrow never comes. What we have to do is we have to do today itself. Today is in our hand. Tomorrow is a future, is a promise, not the fact. And yesterday has already gone. So no need of discussing about yesterday. Just gain some experiences from yesterday and use that experience in today's treasure that we have in our hands. Then S is for self-doubt, limiting thoughts. Oh, I can't do it. No, why only me? The entire world is there. Everybody must have thought this. They all must be doing. No, I don't think that I am capable of this. No, it's not possible for me. Oh my God, who will do so much? These are some of the self-doubt. Avoid this. We have to avoid this if we really want to achieve self-driven leadership skills and want to be a leader in life. And then F is for fear of failure. Before starting, the people, they fail. If you have not taken any opportunity, if you have not tried for something, it means that you have accepted your defeat. You have accepted your failure even before trying. Let's try and fail. Let's try and fail. Finally, we will gain the experience. Let's remember the words of Edison, Thomas Alva Edison. What did he say? He said that I have not failed 10,000 times. I have invented 10,000 ways in which a bulb cannot give the light. What a wonderful answer. And this is the fact. When we try and fail, we gain lots of experiences. We gain lots of ideas in which, for future experiments, we have to avoid those ideas. And then finally, R is resistance to change. Still, some of my friends are there. They say, "Oh, I believe in the doing the things manually. Oh, I don't believe in the typing. I don't believe in the reading online. I don't believe in this. I don't believe in that. I still do that. I still calculate manually. I still do my all the calculations manually." This is resistance to change. When we have the technology in hand, when we have the digital advancement, we have digital platforms, why not to take the benefit of that so that we can save our time for more productive works, for more creative works, for more innovative works. So we have to change ourselves by the time. So these are 5 things. Those are the killers of self-driven leadership. We have to avoid this. I remember when I traveled from India to UAE as a principal, that was really a time that I also was just about to doubt myself whether I will be able to do this. That country is an entire different country. This country is an entire different country. Both the places have their own educational policies. Both the countries have their own ministries of educations, and their focuses are different. Their milestones are different. Their goals are different. Whether I will be able to adjust here, a new country, new place, new environment. These are the self doubts that will always come. But we have to defeat these self doubts by our positive affirmations. We have to remind ourselves again and again, yes, I can do it. Every morning when I wake up, I thank Almighty for giving me this day. This day, a beautiful day, a productive day, a fruitful day, that I am alive. I can do many things. I can love. I can live. I can uh, I can make other people happy. I can make myself happy. So these type of self affirmations always give me the drive to move forward, to take initiatives, and to make each and every day beautiful, worth living. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you very much for your patient listening. It was nice interacting to you all. And we at Edufam Training Services provide lots of leadership trainings. If anyone is in need of our services, you are most welcome. Here are our contact details. Don't hesitate to contact me anytime, anywhere. Even phone numbers and WhatsApp numbers are given. You can WhatsApp us, you can call us, or you can send us the mail. We will be at your service anytime. Thank you very much.